dear smarts. This is ninth class mathematics. We are in coordinate geometry. It's very important. In 10th class also you have lengthy chapter coordinate geometry. In future also it's very important. It's novel. In coordinate geometry mainly you must know the x-axis, y-axis, the properties of x-axis, y-axis and graph and taking scale on graph, subplotting the points, so quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, so which point belongs to the which coordinate. So these are all how to know in this chapter. Save in your e-notebook. Play games with all these topics. Play games. It's very interesting. Are you ready to catch all this? Okay, let's move. In exercise 5.2, which of the write the quadrant in which the following points lie? Right? Write the quadrant in which the following points lie. So mainly in coordinate geometry, if any topic moving, immediately open your e-notebook. Open your e-notebook. Again, I draw a rough diagram of y dash, x dash. Save all these in your e-notebook. Origin O 0 0. Here 1 2 3 4 positive negative values. Here negative values, positive values. This is all diagram. Insert in your e-notebook in your mind. Here the quadrant, the first quadrant Q1, second quadrant Q2, third quadrant Q3, Q4, fourth quadrant. This is the path. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. In third quadrant all are negative. First quadrant opposite, corner opposite, positive, negative. Here negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay? Like that you have to remember on your way. Here -2, -3, -5 -3, 4 2, -7 -6, 0 8, 0 8, 3 0 -4 0. Zero -6. These are the points given. Write the quadrant in which the following points lie. Quadrant -2 3. Which quadrant? -2 3. X minus y plus 2. This is second Q2. 5 minus 3 Q4, x positive, y negative. Both are positive, cube 1. Both are negative, cube 3. 0, 8, x0, x0, y8. This is x0, y8 means y-axis. Y-axis is very important. Where is on this point? On y-axis, x0. On y-axis, x0 always, x0. Y minus it. 3, 0, x3, y0. x3, y0 on x-axis. On x-axis. On x-axis. Minus 4, 0. Minus 4, 0. Minus 4, 0 also. Minus 4, 0. Y-axis. Minus 4, 0. X minus 4 will on x-axis. On y-axis. Confident children? Children, here write the opposites and ordinates of the following points. Opposites and ordinate. XY, in XY, this is opposites. This is ordinate. Ordinate. X coordinates, opposites, y coordinate, ordinates. Ordinates. Copy down in your mind, e-notebook. What is opposites or ordinate? Immediately, you must watch in your e-notebook. In your mind, abscissa, immediately strike out. What is abscissa? What is ordinate? Abscissa, ordinate. The plural of abscissa, abscissae. Here, abscissae, abscissae, abscissae. Okay, it's very easy. Abscissa, ordinates. Abscissae. Abscissae, ordinates. Ordinates. Here, first 4, abscissa 4, ordinate minus 8. Second, minus 5, 3, ordinates. 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, minus 8. That's it. Is it difficult to identify opposites and ordinates? It's very simple. It's very interesting game, you know. Confident children. Actually, children, in this chapter, so mainly problems based on graph. Graph. Will be open the school, then after we'll move the remaining exercises in this chapter. So now, think and assume how to use the graph. Which of the following points lie on axis? Also name the axis. Also name Name the axis. Name the axis. -5 -8. Here, which of the following points lie on the axis? Lie on the axis. Y dash, X dash. Do you remember? Next, this is origin O 0 0. Actually, on y axis, x is always 0. On y axis, x is always 0. On x axis, y is always 0. Y is always 0. 0 -5 -8. It's not on the axis. It's not on the axis. 0 13. X0. First 0. First the value x. X0. Y 13. Here, for example, 0 13. On y axis. On y axis. 4 -2. It's not on the axis. Not on the axis. -2 0. X -2. X -2. X -2. X axis. On x axis. -2 0. On x axis. 0 -8. On y axis. 7 0. On x axis. On both axes, x comma y axis, both axes. Copy down, children. So practice all these, and if you have textbook, once observe in textbook the examples and the formulas, some others. We'll meet tomorrow. Practice well, enjoy. Stay home, stay safe, keep maintaining cleanliness always. Be happy.